Jarrod Lindemann rolls it gently across the shoreline. Listen to the sound of that radial piston engine. Generates over 3,000 pounds of thrust, and this aircraft can climb going straight up. Jarrod Lindemann is the owner and one of the pilots from RAD Aerosports. This thirsty beast is ready to give all of you a once-in-a-lifetime and I swear to goodness, when I first saw it fly, I just giggled. It was like watching a cartoon and watching things fly in fast motion. Jarrod's a fourth-generation aviator. He grew up on a family farm. Always was working with his hands, and at a young age, he would help his father in his aerial spraying business. From his first flight, he was hooked, and he loved watching his father fly. And since his feet hit the ground, he's been running ever since. Jarrod's an accomplished pilot, flight instructor, aircraft mechanic, and entrepreneur, and he's logged thousands of hours of numerous aircraft in his Airshow. He can reach speeds of over 250 miles per hour. That was never believed possible. Now this one's been beefed up a lot and made stronger because of the forces imposed on it by these higher speeds. But the jet-powered Waco has been thrilling audiences around the country for, gosh, almost 20 years as he snap rolls it on the way down. 3/4 of a roll to the right, stops that roll and pulls, and it makes it a left-hand turn. Snap roll in once, across the top. He'll pull back through. That's the avalanche of Jarrod and RAD Aerosports want to thank their sponsors, North Valley Aircraft, the Hartzell Propeller Company. And I can't talk highly enough about Hartzell because they have the airplane and the propeller that powers not only Jarrod's airplane, but also the airplane that I fly, the airplane that Ken Reeder flies, and Adam Baker flies from Red Line Airshows, and the entire fleet. The first military airplanes back in 1917, and since that time they have built the most advanced propeller-driven aircraft, the advanced aircraft propellers. All of a sudden he's fly for 985 cubic inches of displacement. He can make it go anywhere he wants. There is more power than there is weight. So the power to weight ratio is better than 1 to 1. Vertically out. Jarrod decided to start a brand from the ground up. RAD all ages, with a focus on youth promoting the future of aviation. Del Collar, who is another Jet Waco pilot, and the RAD team member, has been with the Jet Waco from the start, helping build the plane and now flying it at air shows all over the United States. Del and Jarrod look forward to showcasing this. He's checking the wind. He slows it down to 0. Power. And now he turns it around to accelerating and a hammerhead stall turn. How about a big round of applause, Pensacola, for Jarrod Lindemann? Jarrod resides in Valley City, North Dakota with his wife Danny and their 4 kids, Oakley, Crew, Indy, and Renly, along with their dog Millie. Danny is able to work alongside her husband with marketing, communications, and social media while supporting Jarrod and this wonderful aviation family. RAD Aerosports. That almost looks like the letter L in cursive up there for Jarrod Lindemann. I think you did that on purpose. Now, he's in a flat spin. The airplane isn't flying right now. It's falling at about 3,000 feet per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns. Going for 6 turns. This is a way to lose altitude very, very rapidly. He quickly recovers. Watching his airspeed so he doesn't get too much on the downline. Jarrod's going to come back through for a couple of what we call banana passes or photo classes, so you'll be able to get a good view of the airplane, a nice view of the plane as it comes by for photo pass. Sonic booms as the propeller tips go supersonic at about 2,500 revolutions per minute, or maybe 2,300 revolutions per minute, and then go by and hear the exhaust from that CJ610 or J85. Heck of a turbojet. for Jarrod Lindemann in the jet-powered Waco. We're going to see this airplane again. Del Collar, his partner in RAD Aerosports, who helped design this airplane. Again to Sport of Pensacola, our title sponsor. They're going to be giving away a 2022 Kia Forte. So stop by their tent today for a chance to win.